Hi everyone, welcome to eSafeX, your trusted digital workspace. In this video, I'll show you what to do if you ever forget your eSafeX password. First, go to the esafex.com and click on My Safe Login option. Then simply click on Forgot Password button. You will now be asked to enter your registered email address. Type in the same email you used while creating your account. Now you will be asked to provide either your 4-digit security PIN or answer one of the security questions you had set during registration. Once you have entered the correct PIN or answer, you will receive an OTP on your email. Open your inbox, copy the OTP, and enter it in the verification field. After verifying the OTP successfully, you will be redirected to a screen where you can set a new password for your eSafeX account. Create the new password, confirm it, and click on Submit. Your password has now been reset successfully. You can log in again using your email and your newly created password. All your saves, files, and client information will remain exactly as they were. Nothing changes inside your account. If you face any difficulty, you can always reach out to us through our contact us section on the website, and our team will be happy to assist you. eSafeX, where every file moves safely, smoothly, and stays systematically organized.